Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that can be life-changing for many, repairing nerve damage. We're going to explore 7 incredible vitamins that have shown promising results in promoting nerve health and even repairing existing damage. We'll break down the science behind each one and how they can help you on your journey to recovery. If you're experiencing nerve pain or any health concerns, please consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Let's kick things off with a spice you probably already have in your kitchen: turmeric. More specifically, we're talking about curcumin, the active compound in turmeric that gives it that vibrant yellow color. Curcumin is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation, and that's great news for your nerves. Studies have shown that curcumin can actually help repair damaged nerves and improve nerve function. Whether you're dealing with diabetic neuropathy, carpal tunnel syndrome, or other nerve-related issues, curcumin might be a game changer for you. So how do you get more curcumin in your life? Well, adding turmeric to your diet is a great start. You can sprinkle it on your food, add it to smoothies, or even enjoy a warm cup of turmeric milk. For a more potent dose, you might want to consider a curcumin supplement. Next up, we have magnesium sulfate, a mineral that's essential for healthy nerve function. Now you might know magnesium sulfate by its more common name, Epsom salt. Magnesium plays a crucial role in nerve transmission, which is how your nerves communicate with each other and your brain. Magnesium sulfate also helps protect your nerves from damage caused by something called oxidative stress. So how do you boost your magnesium levels? Besides those relaxing Epsom salt baths, you can find magnesium in foods like spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate. And if you need an extra boost, magnesium supplements are widely available. Now, let's talk about healthy fats, specifically omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are like the building blocks of healthy nerve cell membranes. When your nerve cell membranes are healthy and strong, thanks to omega-3s, your nerves can communicate more effectively, leading to better nerve function overall. Omega-3s are also powerful anti-inflammatory agents. So, where can you get your omega-3s? Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are excellent sources, as are walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. And of course, you can always opt for an omega-3 supplement if you're not getting enough through your diet. Now let's move on to the B vitamins, starting with thiamine, also known as vitamin B1. Thiamine plays a vital role in nerve cell metabolism, which is like the energy production center of your nerve cells. Without enough thiamine, your nerve cells can't function properly. That's why thiamine deficiency can lead to serious neurological problems, including nerve pain, tingling, and even muscle weakness. Thiamine is a potent antioxidant. That means it can help protect your nerves from damage caused by those harmful free radicals we talked about earlier. You can find it in foods like whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. And if you're concerned about your thiamine levels, talk to your doctor about whether a supplement might be right for you. Let's talk about alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA for short. ALA is a powerful antioxidant that's found naturally in every cell of your body. But ALA is especially important for your nerves. ALA swoops in and neutralizes those harmful free radicals, preventing them from damaging your delicate nerve cells. It also helps regenerate other antioxidants like vitamin C and E, making them even more effective at fighting free radicals. You can find ALA in foods like spinach, broccoli, and potatoes, but the amounts are relatively small. If you're looking to boost your ALA intake, supplements are widely available. Next up is vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that's essential for nerve health. Vitamin E is like a protective shield for your nerve cells, guarding them against damage from free radicals. Studies have shown that vitamin E can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetic neuropathy, a type of nerve damage that's common in people with diabetes. Vitamin E can help improve nerve function, reduce pain, and even slow the progression of the condition. You can find vitamin E in foods like nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and leafy green vegetables. And if you're not sure you're getting enough through your diet, talk to your doctor about whether a vitamin E supplement might be right for you. Last but certainly not least, we have vitamin B12, also known as Cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is essential for the formation and maintenance of myelin, a fatty substance that surrounds and protects your nerves. When myelin is damaged, nerve signals can be disrupted, leading to problems with movement, sensation, and even thinking. Vitamin B12 deficiency is a common cause of nerve damage, especially in older adults. You can find vitamin B12 in animal products like meat, poultry, fish, and dairy. If you're vegan or vegetarian, it's important to talk to your doctor about getting enough B12 through fortified foods or supplements. Ensuring adequate B12 intake is crucial for nerve health. So there you have it, 7 incredible vitamins that can help repair nerve damage and get you back on track to living your best life. Remember, these vitamins are most effective when combined with a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques. If you're experiencing nerve pain or other health concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We're here to support you on your journey to optimal health and wellness. Take care, everyone.